Hi, my name is Dr. Kunal Aneja. I am a senior consultant orthopedic surgeon at Max Super Specialty Hospital, Shalimar Bagh, New Delhi. So our team here caters to all sorts of orthopedic problems, be it sports injuries, joint replacement, trauma, simple aches and pains in the back or joints, or some postural issues. You can rely on our team for the basic care. What is our passion? It is to bring life to movement. So we have to ensure that each patient goes back to living his life, and it's not just the number of years of life, but actually the quality of years that matter. So what we are specialized in is sports medicine. In the knee, that would be ACL, meniscus, and other multiligamentous injuries. In the shoulder, that would be rotator cuff, Bankart, and various other arthritis issues. There can be joint replacement pathologies which are treated by joint replacement, such as total knee replacement, partial knee replacement, total and partial hip replacements, reverse or a total shoulder replacement. These are the most common spectrum of surgeries that we are doing for various conditions ranging from arthritis, sports injuries, meniscus injuries, ACL injuries, or simple lower back pains and body aches. If you want any other orthopedic concern, if you have any other orthopedic issue, you feel free to reach out to us for your orthopedic issues. We are here for you.